In virtue of the infatuation and fascination with the ocean, in order to shuttle through the ocean freely, explore the magical ocean unrestrainedly, and capture the epic underwater moments, FIFISH has made breakthroughs over technical barriers to launch a new product, FIFISH P3. FIFISH P3 has an extraordinary performance on stability and reliability, with 3 thrusters power system, 100 meters working depth, 6 directions of movements, 2 hours operating time. FIFISH is specifically designed for complicated, tricky underwater environments. With unremitting efforts to pursue HD footage, FIFISH has gained breakthrough progress on camera system, equipped with Ambarella chipset, 1-inch Sony CMOS sensor, and 162 FOV ultra-wide-angle lens. FIFISH P3 could capture 4K HD footage and 20-megapixel photos in underwater environment. For those who are water frightening, you could also explore under the waves without jumping into the water. In addition, 4,000 lumens LED lights with 8 levels adjustable brightness ensure you can capture more detail with high performance in dark environments. Equipped with FIFISH app, FIFISH P3 could watch the epic moments in 1080p real-time streaming. It can beautify videos or pictures as you wish by clicking with one button. FIFISH apps allow you share stunning underwater moments to all social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, WeChat instantly. Join us and let's rediscover the sea.
Imagine a future where you have the freedom to 3D print anything you want from home. What would you make? Imagine if you could save thousands of dollars with the power to make things yourself instead of buying them. What would you spend it on instead? Imagine if your things were created with biodegradable materials, how much cleaner the earth would be. You don't have to imagine. The future is here. The easy-to-use 3D printer for the whole family has arrived. Welcome to the revolution that is changing homes, offices, and industries globally.
Introducing InTech, the first portable smart projector that projects in full 4K resolution. And yeah, it's portable. Like put it in your bag and take it on the road portable. We're not just talking a projector. InTech is a full-on portable entertainment system, included with a stackable attachable speaker, Bluetooth connectivity, Wi-Fi capability, and even built-in storage. That means you can play all your favorite shows and movies whenever and wherever you want, all in crystal clear 4K. InTech is small, portable, and super easy to set up. It's a fully modular system, stacks seamlessly and connects wirelessly, which means you can break it down in seconds and set it up just as fast. Use your phone or the included remote to browse your settings and apps, or connect a device via HDMI. The omnidirectional speakers provide stunning sound all around, no matter where you place it. And 3D projection gives you a unique portable 4K experience. Best of all, Intech Stand allows you to swivel it seamlessly in 360 degrees and stand it upright so you can watch your favorite shows on the ceiling. No more craning your neck in bed. Watch your shows fully relaxed or enjoy a beautiful night under the stars. Whatever you do, wherever you are, whenever the time, you'll have crystal clear entertainment right beside you. Intech, 4K just got portable.
我可以问你什么吗？
Tengo una pregunta.
Hey, what's up?
你的名字是什么？ Wat heb je gezegd gedaan?
Faccio un in bebbia a beach no.